Here we are in our new listing right here in Post Falls, Idaho. Just a little bit about Post Falls and the neighborhood before we head inside to check out the listing. Post Falls is situated between Coeur d'Alene and the Washington-Idaho state line, so it's close to Spokane International Airport. Post Falls is probably one of the bigger up-and-coming neighborhoods, communities in North Idaho as far as new development coming in. So we're seeing a lot of homes hitting the market in this area. This one is a newer home. The whole neighborhood is newer. We'll show some drone shots, some driving shots of that. It's a really clean neighborhood, nice wide streets, very quiet, and sidewalks all through it. So this home is in a cul-de-sac, so it dead ends over here. So you're not getting a lot of through traffic. Decent backyard, I'll show you that as well. So this is, check it out, you get some timber framed accents on these houses. So in this price range, and this one's listed at $449,900. In this price range, you're getting a ton of upgrades in this home. All these timber framed accents, hardy siding, so this is cement board siding here, and then shingle accents, also cement board. All the soffits are finished, everything's nice and clean, and easy maintenance in the yard. The yard has an automatic sprinkler system in the front and the back. We'll show you the back. It's pretty much a blank slate. It's grass and gravel, so easy maintenance right now, and you can kind of make your own as you go along. So let's go inside and check out some of the other features. Come on.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
All right, here we are in the living area of the home. As we come inside, you'll start to notice some of the details I talked about. We've got vaulted ceilings. All the door trim is hardwood stained. It's nice, everything's upgraded. For this price range in North Idaho, it's not normal to find these types of upgrades in a home. Come on in here, let's check out the rest of the living area into the kitchen. Right away, you'll notice in the kitchen, we've got quartz countertops, and these same countertops are in both bathrooms as well. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1340 square feet. And having these upgrades is really nice. A lot of times in this price range, you'll go into a home and you'll find, laminate countertops or things like that. But here we've got quartz. It's gorgeous. Gas range. Beautiful view out the backyard into the manicured rear lawn. All the cabinets and drawers are soft close, which is another nice feature in this price range. All right, moving on to the dedicated dining area right here. Still with vaulted ceilings, which is a nice feature. And if you look from the dining room, we have a sliding glass door out to an extended patio. That was one of the upgrades the homeowners had done, was the patio is extended. It's also timber framed, and that gives you a little bit more coverage for those months where you're getting rain or snow. You can still be out there and barbecue. Quick access to the dining room and the kitchen. So the square footage, like I said, is 1340, but it feels much bigger than that. It's got a great living area that would even be suitable for smaller families. All right, on this side of the house, we've got 2 good-sized bedrooms, one on each side here, and then a bathroom right here splitting the middle with those quartz countertops. Like I said, that is a full bath. Linen closet, both bedrooms have their own closets as well. So that's on this side of the house. Let's go check out the master bedroom on the other side of the home. All right, we're on the other side of the home right now. Off to my right is the laundry room, which is a full laundry room, be a great mudroom as well, and that accesses the 2-car garage out there, which the 2-car garage has been extended to give a little bit more space for workbenches and whatnot. That was another upgrade the homeowners had done when they built it. In here to the master suite, they added a sliding glass door to the patio out back, which is a great feature. So if you wanted to put a hot tub out there, it's not currently wired for that, but it could be. Hot tub out there, it'll be easy access from the master bedroom. And then we have the full master bath right here with closet, dual vanity sink, once again, quartz countertops, another nice upgrade. So you can move into this house and really have nothing to do. It's in excellent condition. All of the nice features and upgrades. This is a great value right here in Post Falls, Idaho. Just imagine yourself sitting on this front porch, sipping a cold beverage of your choice, looking at this nice quiet street while the kids play out there. Perfect setting here in North Idaho. And this home is an incredible value. It'll be listed at $449,900 for a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,309 square foot home with all of these wonderful upgrades and features. It's very low maintenance. The siding is hardy lap siding and hardy shingles, so not much to do there. All the soffits are covered, roof's in great shape. The house was built in 2017, so really an amazing value. So if you're interested in this home, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.